Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Cadillac XT4 Sport featuring Crystal White Tricoat with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, wireless phone charging, backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, nice carbon fiber trim, and our liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at these seats, down to the bottom left, we have the power seating, lumbar and massaging seats, and we can hop inside. Just to the left, you'll find the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel here, on our left, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert, and the heated steering wheel, and to the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn the vehicle on and check out the infotainment system here. Starting off with our audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have navigation with a map, and we can throw it in reverse. Just gotta buckle the seatbelt, and we can throw it in reverse. Check out the backup camera. Below that, we have our climate controls with heated front seats for both driver and passenger, lane keep assist, hazards, and the parking assist. So below here, we have some extra hidden storage with 2 USBs and a 12-volt, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. We have storage up top as well as down below with a 12-volt plug-in. Up top, we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, proud seat tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some XT4 and Cadillac badging. To open up the back, all we got to do is double click on the key fob. It's going to pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here. Rear storage cover that lifts with the liftgate, lights on either side for extra visibility. We have a 12-volt plug-in back here. And down below, we also have some hidden storage that houses the spare tire. Very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. Nice carbon fiber accent. Powered windows, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats, we have a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back beach seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, we have our rear vents, rear heated seats, 2 USBs. Just above that, we have handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 Cadillac XT4 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.